For Shepherd's Song, we're going to be playing C position in the left and middle C position in the right. You can look over here for the pedal marking. So where you see that extra line on the bottom extends, that's where you can add on the pedal and hold it down if you have one at home. Lift up the pedal when you see the bracket finishing off. So there's no pedal around here. And once again, hold down the pedal on the last line all the way to the end. That's only if you have a pedal. If you don't have one, don't worry about it. So here's the song. Let's take a listen. Down an octave to C. Here's right hand onto middle C. Again. Hold, 2, 3, wait, 2, 3. And play, hold, 2, 3. Left hand, let's place our hand on the bass C position, and remember that broken chord that we learned, C, E, G, where we play C, skip one, E, skip one, and G, skip one. We'll be playing a lot of this throughout, so let's follow me from the beginning. 5 on bass C. Rest. Rest. Wait, 2, 3. Rest, rest. On to the next page. F and G, chord 5, 7. Jump. Hold, 2, 3. Rest. And let's go back to C chord. Move our 2 over to A. Move back to C. Down an octave to this C.